Imagine this. You're buying a house, but instead of going through banks and lawyers, you're dealing directly with the seller. No middlemen, no hefty fees. Sounds too good to be true, right? But let's consider the traditional path. Banking systems, legal procedures, bureaucracy, all these layers of intermediaries, adding time and cost to your dream home purchase. Now, what if there was a technology that could bypass those intermediaries, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure? Welcome to the world of blockchain. So, what exactly is blockchain? In basic terms, it's a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across many computers. Now let's break that down a bit. Firstly, let's talk about decentralization. Imagine a network where power, authority, and control are spread across its nodes rather than being concentrated in one central point. This is the crux of decentralization. It's like a game of Chinese whispers where everyone is the whisperer and the listener. Information is passed around freely without any single entity controlling it. This is a stark contrast to traditional centralized systems like banks or governments, where all decisions and transactions are controlled by one central authority. In a decentralized system like blockchain, power is distributed evenly, ensuring transparency and reducing the risk of corruption or manipulation. Then comes the role of cryptography. Think of it as the secret sauce that makes the blockchain secure. Each transaction is transformed into a complex mathematical problem, which can only be solved by the intended recipient's private key. This ensures that the transaction remains secure and tamper-proof during its journey through the blockchain. But that's not all. Blockchain also introduces the concept of smart contracts. Picture a vending machine. You put in a coin, select your snack, and the machine automatically dispenses it. No human intervention, no haggling, just a straightforward transaction based on predefined rules. That's essentially what a smart contract does. It's a self-executing contract with the terms of agreement directly written into lines of code. This eliminates the need for a middleman, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient. In essence, blockchain takes the power from centralized authorities and gives it back to the people. But how does it do that? Let's delve deeper. Now, with a basic understanding of blockchain's key components, we're ready to explore further into this fascinating world of decentralization. So, stay tuned as we unravel the intricacies of blockchain technology. Think of blockchain as a game of digital dominoes, where each block is a domino that contains information about the transaction and a unique code, like a fingerprint. Let's delve into this analogy. Imagine you're setting up a line of dominoes. Each domino here represents a block. On the face of this block, or domino, is information about a specific transaction. Now, each domino also has a unique pattern on its back, representing a unique code, or what we call a hash. This hash is like the fingerprint of the block, making it distinct from all other blocks. Now let's say you've lined up these dominoes one after another in a chain. Just like in our game of dominoes, each block in the blockchain is linked to the one before it through this unique hash code. This hash of the previous block is included within the next block, creating an unbroken chain of interconnected blocks, hence the term blockchain. Here's the beauty of it. If someone tries to meddle with a block, the information changes, and so does the hash. But remember, this hash is included in the next block. So if one hash changes, it disrupts the entire chain after it, much like toppling one domino disrupts the entire line. This makes altering a blockchain incredibly difficult, ensuring its immutability. It's like trying to remove a domino from the middle of the line without knocking the rest over. It's near impossible. So, just like the dominoes falling in a line, each block in a blockchain is connected to the one before and after it, making it secure and tamper-proof. This blockchain is not just about cryptocurrencies. It's a revolutionary technology with immense potential across various sectors. Imagine a world where supply chains are transparent, where you can trace the journey of your coffee beans from the plantation to your cup. That's possible with blockchain. It can drastically reduce fraud and increase efficiency in this sector by providing a tamper-proof record of product journeys. Now let's consider healthcare. Blockchain could ensure the secure, private, and efficient transfer of patient data across platforms and providers, enhancing both treatment and research. And in finance, imagine if you could send money overseas in seconds without a middleman. Blockchain makes this a reality, reducing costs and increasing speed. So there you have it. Blockchain, a decentralized, secure, and transparent way of conducting transactions with the potential to revolutionize various sectors. Intriguing, isn't it?